Good vibes, good vibes. Okay. Hello. It's your girl CG OnTrend, and I'm back today with a great video. As you can see by the title, this gonna be some wig tea, y'all. Like, I got some wig tea, and it's gonna be from UNicehair. Y'all know. Love me a good Unice wig when I can get my hands on one. And they sent me this lovely unit to review for you guys, my subbies, my trenders. So if you're new to my channel in good old Texas fashion, hey y'all. And if you've been here before, welcome back. And next time, bring a friend. We're going to get into this unit, okay? Unice sent me the Wear and Go 6x4.5 cut lace Bodywave wig with the breathable cap, one step install wig. Okay, so y'all, in that title, I'm getting wear and go, I'm getting one step, I'm getting easy install. That's what I get. For this unit, I will be using the Unice wig cap. This is the transparent, undetectable wig cap. So this is what I will be using. Here's what the wig comes in. It's a cute little red box. It's magnetized, so it opens like so. And you get some goodies. You get a Unice edge scarf, which we're gonna use that. You get some lashes. Cute little pocket mirror. Y'all see that? That is gorgeous. You get one of those wig caps, okay? And you also get looks like a makeup brush, a foundation brush. And here is your wig, packed so nicely in the little Unice bag. Y'all can't wait. Me either. Ooh, y'all. Look at this. Look at the body waves in this joint. Look at that. Oh my God. Okay, some details about the wig. Now that you see it out of the packaging, there is no lace. Girl, there is no lace to cut. Where have I been? Where have you been? Okay, you get 2 combs to the right, you get a comb at the nape, and you get the elastic band. There are no adjustable straps, but you do get this little band here so that it can stay snug and in one position. So guys, we're gonna put it on and we're gonna see what it do. First, let's go in with some Fit Me powder. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Fit Me powder. I'm not gonna use any tinting spray. I'm gonna use my Fit Me powder today. So we're gonna just use the Fit Me powder in 360, in the number 360, and just kind of brush it inside of the unit. Y'all can see that. Y'all, I'm excited about this unit because I don't have to cut no lace, and it comes pre-plucked. So if you don't have to worry about plucking your unit, that it saves so much time. You don't have to bleach your knots. I mean, you know, if you want to, that's on you, girl, but you don't have to. Okay. So I got that. Kind of matches my skin. I have my adjustable strap all the way to the side. You know, I have it how I want it. And then you guys know I will go in and cut these combs off. But for the sake of time, we're not going to do that. But we will do that later. So let's go. Let's go. Y'all look. Look at this lace. I mean, look at it. I mean, are you really looking at it right now? Are you seeing this? I'm outdone. Okay, guys, this wig can definitely be worn glueless. I want to do a little baby hair. I think I can afford to do a little baby hair with this unit. Okay, just a little bit, not too much. Okay, I'm back, y'all. I went off camera and I went ahead and laid it down with my y'all saw I used my Eben uh slick stick, and then I went ahead and I did my hot comb off camera because it's in the other room. But y'all, can we give it up for this tousled look? Can we give it up for the I just woke up and my curls are still there look? Like, can we give it up to Unice for this beautiful unit? Now, if I wanted to go in and put some little spirals in there, y'all, I could. But I'm loving this bedhead look. Like, it's giving. Like y'all, look at that. Look at the parting space. Look at the lace. Now, I could go in and add some of my foundation just to give it a little bit more. And I use the Milani Conceal Perfect 2-in-1 11A and Nutmeg for my skin foundation. I will just brush some of that like on my chin and then use the excess in that parting space, in that, you know, around the edges for that lace, just so that it can, you know, blend in just a little bit more and remove this line of demarcation. Now, in the event that you can't get rid of that line of demarcation, which, girl, it ain't bothering me, but if it bothers you, I would easily, you can go in and you can cut this lace a little bit more if you wanted to. Now, because this is a, what, 5x5, 6x4.5, you can also, you know, you can side part it. Come on for the styling possibilities. You can, you know, do a little part right there. And if you don't want to do a part, flip over method works for me, honey. Like, I am not mad at the flip over method. Not mad at all. So I'm gonna leave y'all a link to this unit right here down there in the description box. Let me see if it's anything I forgot, because I don't want to leave nothing out, because this unit is bomb. It's bomb, and I don't want to leave nothing out. So now I understand what wear and go means. Like, you can literally put this on and be gone. Okay, the 6.5x4 parting space, you know, you get, it's, I want to say it's 4 to the back, 4.5 to the back, and it's 6 across. So that's what that, the cap is very breathable. No complaints there. It literally is a 30-second install. No more latex, they said, no more latex headaches, because it's secure. It has the no glue. You don't have to do anything with this, like nothing. And the hairline, it's very realistic. You guys plucked the mess out of this. The transparent lace closure here. I'm here for it, y'all. I'm here for everything that Unice is giving in this wig. And I'm so loving the tousled look. Now, if I wanted to go in and put me some little barrel curls in, I would. But y'all, this comb over method, ooh, y'all, do y'all smell what Unice is cooking? Like, this is so summer hair. This is so I'm cute and I know it hair. Like, look at that. No track showing, no nothing. Like, y'all get into it. Y'all check that link out below. And thank you, Unice, for sending me this lovely unit. I will cherish it, I promise you, because this is the bomb. Like, I so love it. I do. Oh, did I show y'all the back? Let me show y'all the back. Let's do that. I didn't give y'all the back. Let's see. What y'all think? Y'all like the waves? Don't get seasick now. Okay, so If you're feeling this unit and you want to go grab your own, I will leave that link down there in the description box so that you can click on it and go get your own. This unit retails for about $132, but y'all know they have Apple Pay, they have PayPal, and I want to say they have Klarna and Afterpay, but don't quote me. But $132 for something you can just throw on and go, you will definitely get your cost per wear out of this unit. Go. Click that link and get this unit. Thank you, Unice, for sending me this hair. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, follow me over on Instagram at OnTrend. Love it. Love the look. Click that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Y'all go get y'all the Unice wig and enjoy it just like me.